Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Menteri Sokar bakmi ya ketnat social welfare jong kejela, ubak kermen shilla, hak arterik mentau nailur arazat kat kendai, ulapan menapat ba ya ke skim Rashtriya Poshan Ma 2019 ne usnam baki long ye long sem, hak kejela Meghalaya kin kampala jingmon hak baidai bat karukamba mi kijingbam ki bataiman. Bat ya ke skim uni menteri ulapan bena hak kejelang ke belalong hasusotham auditorium Shillong. Hakani jingelang la sakilang ru daki he officer sarkar jong katna social welfare konthop ru ye kinong trai na katna ka koi ka khya jong ka sarkar jilla kino hikai bat ki khna skol na ki skol ba phero pher ki bala wan yeshimanta hakani kasngi kumban chukadaw hangne ya ka Rashtriya Poshan Ma la penbana pajba do menteri rang ba do kari India Narendra Modi nadu benai leber jong usnam arja katpra kenang ban pentikna baki khlong bat ki khna kenthop ro iki samla komjo kilong keme ki badang pon dangkha ki dei ban ba mi ki jingbam ki batai yakamet kenang bakin yo yakamet ke bakoi bakhia hakani kasngi uba kermen chalaw la palat paj baru yakakot ling kedop ke batai benia halor ke rukom ba mi ki jingbam batai man na ke benta ubnai nailur jong menta usnam arja kat khandai.
The month of September will be celebrated as Poshan Month across the country. The message to this month long celebration is Har Ghar Poshan Ya Bahar. Every household a celebration of nutrition and behavioral change. It is the right of every child born to be breastfed within the first hour of birth. Exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months should be encouraged and stressed upon for the proper mental and physical development of the child. 90% of a child brain developed by age 5 years. Hence, optimal nutrition at an early age is very important if we aspire to have a healthy and progressive nation. I do request and urge the CDPOs, Anganwadis, workers and helpers, including ASHA, to make mandatory home visits to those mothers after delivery, and in this regard, the government is giving incentive in cash during such visit. These programs will focus on all line departments converging and working together to achieve the objectives and to take message to the community in the field. All the DCs are requested to review the activities conducted at the district and block level. Most of the line departments are not clear about convergence. This is a need for mobilization at the district and block level on the coordination of different departments such as health, CNRD, PHE, education extra. Each department has to plan the weekly activities for the Poshan month and to ensure data is uploaded through the Jan Andolan dashboard. DCs are also requested to organize press meeting during Poshan Ma for greater awareness and cooperation. The convergence of thought of various stakeholders can help achieve a malnutrition-free Meghalaya. I take this opportunity to launch Rashtriya Poshan Ma 2019 and wish each and every one of you a healthy month.
Nado kapor bapun iklung hakpo ki check up kitika daiban yo sumar bat take care ba long kme ban laj na ki jingma jingbam bat daibam shat shat klung hapo ruba in shat น้องเตรกะกดกะเขียกี่จูฮีไกกี่จูเป็นชายกี่จูบาไตปอร์คาหาดูเห็นริวบนายคลุงตั้งดาวบุญกิเมบันอายปอร์คาหาดูเห็นริวบนายคลุงตั้งดาวบุญกิเมบันอายเห็นริวบนายหาดูอาร์สเนมการตาringkat pun kami ailang jeng bambatai baba kenang bagi kunjung pi kin chat kin climb strong and healthy oh kenang bagi kunjung pi kin chat kin climb strong and healthy
Gajing power to me in her such a do that